That's how you do it. All right. Hello, good day, and welcome to this mini tutorial about this product. It's Pop and Sit SE Booster. So it's for the summer for babies. It's a chair, like a director's chair, and today I'm going to show you how to actually strap it in the chair, because I find it tricky for this manual to how to actually do this one. So I will not explain anymore how to open the chair like this, because it's really self-explanatory. So let's just dive in directly to how to actually hook this one in the chair. So before we proceed to this tutorial, we would like to thank our friends Joel and Bambi for giving this one. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you so much. Nindot kayo. So it means very nice. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, first of all, you've got these 4 pieces. Two of this one, I don't know how to call it. It's exactly strap
or belt.
It's a belt. Okay, let's just call it this one. Okay, and 2 of this one too. So it's a total of 4. So if you look at the manual, let's jump into number 2. So attach 1 strap to rear leg and 1 strap to crossbars on booster's side. So I'm gonna turn this one sideways so that we can follow what the manual actually wants. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this. So what you want to do is that, so you want to remove this one. The manual said it you will not remove, but let's remove it anyway, so that we can actually hook this one inside. Okay, then insert, then let's put it back in. Oops. Oh, yeah. Okay. So the first part is done. So let's just leave it there. And on the other side, I'm gonna turn this again sideways. So it's the number 3. It's kind of tricky, okay? So slide strap through buckle, repeat with remaining straps on opposite side of the booster. So when you actually got this one from straight from the box, how do you actually insert in the bar? So how do you, number 3 of the manual, how do you slide strap through buckle, repeat with remaining straps on opposite side of the booster? So I'm gonna do it slowly, because when you it came out straight out from the box, it looks like this. So what you want to do is you want to flip it out, okay, until there's something open here. Okay. So let's strap it. So this one is a very important one. You have to slide it inside. So it's in this area so that it's really easy. No? As you can see, it's really easy. Okay, on the other side, just I'm gonna turn sideways again. Okay, so here, again, remove this strap. Then Okay, you can see it's secure, and it's after this one, it's really optional how you want to secure it. So what I want to do is I'd like to do it this way. It's kind of more secure. Yeah, and then attach again the strap, so that this part is out in the outside. Okay, so, and let's do it on the other side too. So again, I've already done this one like I showed you earlier, that you have to flip it out so that you can see this opening here. Then let's hook it. So this area, this part is kind of slippery, so just insert it, so it's really easy. Okay, so that's how you do it. Then at this point, we're gonna strap it all together. Okay? So what I want to do is I want to strap it again. It looks like this. It's real. It looks real tight. Make it more secure. Okay, yeah, just pull, but not too much, so that it won't break. Then underneath, okay, let's flip it down. So okay, here, pull until it's tight enough to be secure. Okay, so that's how you do it. All right, it's pretty tight and secure, so babies gonna feel safety right here. And there's a table right here.
Tray.
A tray. Sorry, it's the tray. And yeah.
And that's it.
That's everything.
Time.
Just one last look.
Okay. Okay. All right. Then one. Okay.
I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.